You've probably watched a few videos on YouTube or shorts on TikTok watching people live lavish lives on the internet and thought how you could live like them. Well, for some, they were given the money. Many others, however, earned their money the hard way. They worked hard at their crafts, harnessed knowledge, and acquired assets to help them achieve all that wealth. What do they invest in? Let's find out. Number 1. Mutual funds. Mutual funds offer a gateway to wealth creation by pooling funds from various investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Managed by professional fund managers, these funds provide investors with access to a wide range of investment opportunities that they may not have individually. One of the key advantages of mutual funds is diversification, which helps mitigate risk by spreading investments across different sectors and asset classes. Additionally, mutual funds offer convenience and simplicity, making them suitable for both novice and experienced investors. By staying invested for the long term and harnessing the power of compounding returns, mutual funds investors can steadily build wealth over time. With the potential for capital appreciation and regular income through dividends, mutual funds serve a reliable tool for achieving financial goals and securing a prosperous future. Number 2. Real estate. Real estate stands as a cornerstone of wealth accumulation, offering diverse avenues for investors to grow their net worth. Whether through strategic property flipping or long-term rental income, real estate presents opportunities for substantial returns on investment. Investing in real estate enables individuals to leverage their resources by purchasing properties that appreciate over time. Additionally, rental income from properties can provide a steady cash flow, allowing investors to invest profits and expand their portfolios. Moreover, real estate investments offer unique tax benefits such as deductions for mortgage interest and depreciation, future enhancing overall returns. With proper research and due diligence, investors can identify undervalued properties and capitalize on emerging market trends. Ultimately, real estate provides a tangible asset with intrinsic value, making it a reliable avenue for long-term wealth accumulation. By harnessing the power of property ownership, investors can secure financial stability and build a prosperous future for themselves and their families. Number 3. Fine art. Fine art represents not only aesthetic beauty, but also a lucrative avenue for wealth creation. Savvy investors recognize the inherent value of fine art, which often appreciates over time due to its scarcity and cultural significance. Investing in fine art offers diversification benefits and a hedge against economic volatility, as the value of art remains relatively independent of traditional market fluctuations. Additionally, fine art investments can generate passive income through leasing or exhibition fees, providing a steady stream of income. Furthermore, the potential for capital appreciation in the art market can result in significant return on investments. With careful research and expert guidance, investors can identify promising artists or art movements poised for growth. Moreover, investing in fine art allows individuals to contribute to cultural preservation and heritage while simultaneously building wealth. By integrating fine art into their investment portfolios, investors can achieve financial prosperity while enriching their lives with beauty and creativity. Number 4. Business. You might think that owning a business means buying shares in the company. While true, that won't be the focus of what I'll discuss here. Instead, think of owning a business as building it up from scratch, putting the work into it, running the operations, expanding the operations to include a bigger market, or different services or products, hiring out jobs to people to work the business. Having full ownership of a business and building it from nothing is a very risky endeavor, and many do fail. The ones that succeed, though, can provide a constant cash flow for you and your family, while it appreciates in value. In time, you could potentially sell your business for a neat sum and start a new venture or project you are passionate about. You could hold on to the business and continue to grow it out. While there are countless businesses that fail, there are many that succeed. Ever heard of Apple, Amazon, Microsoft? They were all built on the blood, sweat, and tears of people that gave it everything to create something huge. Even if you grow to a fraction of the size, you can still generate plenty of wealth from owning a business. Number 5. Interest-paying bonds. Interest-paying bonds are a cornerstone of conservative investing, offering a reliable income stream and capital preservation for investors. These fixed income securities represent loans made by investors to entities such as governments, municipalities, or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments. One of the primary attractions of bonds is their stability, as they typically provide fixed payments over a specific period, regardless of market conditions. This predictability makes bonds an appealing option for investors seeking steady income and capital preservation. Moreover, bonds offer diversification benefits within an investment portfolio, as their performance is often uncorrelated with that of stocks and other assets. This can help mitigate overall portfolio risk and enhance long-term returns. Additionally, bonds come in various forms, including government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds, each with its own risk and return profile. By carefully selecting bonds that align with their investment objectives and risk tolerance, investors can build a well-balanced portfolio that generates consistent income and preserves capital. Number 6. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are a potent wealth-building tool, offering investors regular income and the potential for capital appreciation. When investors purchase shares in companies that pay dividends, they receive a portion of the company's earnings on a regular basis. These dividends provide a steady stream of income, making dividend-paying stocks particularly attractive for income-oriented investors. Additionally, many dividend-paying companies have a track record of stability and profitability, offering investors a sense of security. Moreover, dividend-paying stocks offer the potential for long-term wealth accumulation, as reinvested dividends can compound over time, significantly boosting overall returns. By carefully selecting dividend-paying stocks with strong fundamentals and a history of consistent dividend payments, investors can build a diversified portfolio that generates reliable income and fosters financial growth. Number 7. Farmland. Farmland represents a unique and resilient asset class with the potential to generate steady income and preserve wealth. Investing in farmland involves purchasing agricultural real estate and leasing it to farmers for cultivation or livestock grazing. One of the key attractions for farmland is its ability to provide a consistent source of rental income, as farmers typically pay rent on a yearly or seasonal basis. This predictable cash flow can serve as a reliable income stream for investors, regardless of economic conditions. Additionally, farmland offers diversification benefits within an investment portfolio, as its performance tends to have low correlation with traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds. This can help reduce overall portfolio risk and enhance long-term returns. Furthermore, farmland investments benefit from tangible assets with intrinsic value, making them a compelling option for investors seeking to build wealth while supporting sustainable agricultural practices. In conclusion, these 7 assets have the power to catapult you towards wealth, whether it's through mutual funds, real estate, fine art, business, bonds, stocks, or farmland. There are countless opportunities to grow your net worth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, the key is to invest wisely, diversify your portfolio, and stay committed to your long-term financial goals. With the right assets in your corner, your journey to riches begins now. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Perhaps check out the previous video on how to get wealthy. Maybe even check out my investing ebook on Gumroad or my free newsletter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.